Hey everyone, this is Mingjong from mingjongtai.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how TweetAdder can help you to automate a Twitter marketing process and also bring you a lot of traffic to your website. So I've already logged into the TweetAdder. As you can see here, this is the TweetAdder platform. So basically it is very simple and easy to use. Basically, once you log in, this is the dashboard that you'll see, the status, whether you are tweeting or idle, and also the following numbers and followers numbers, and how many updates you have. And this is the users that you're going to follow. So I've already scheduled like 8,500 users that I'm going to follow every day. Well, not every day, but down to the line, and also how many I will unfollow, and also the schedule of the tweets. So basically, what I love about TweetAdder is it is very powerful in terms of following and unfollowing. If you're going to do it by hand, it will be super tedious and very time consuming to manually follow or unfollow users. So what I usually do for a few features for TweetAdder is follow, unfollow users, and also the tweet schedule. The green button just shows that I have already turned on the automation for the follow, unfollow, and also the tweets. Basically, you can have the general settings here. So as you can see, Mingjong is my Twitter name, and you can actually get the settings. You can have the black list or the white list, which means if you want to follow some of the people that you really love, then you can just whitelist them, so that you won't unfollow the users that you love unintentionally. If you want to follow the users, one of the best way and the easiest way is to find out the top players in your niche. For example, I'm into the blogging or make money online niche. One of the players is ProBlogger. So I can just follow all the users by ProBlogger. So they save me a lot of time to do a lot of research to find out the people that I'm going to follow. So there's a great features here, the followers of a user. So if you want to follow the followers of ProBlogger, you just type in ProBlogger and then do the search. Basically, TweetAdder will just go out there and then scrap all the data and compile it into a list and for you to follow. So this is how I gather the 8,000 followers that I'm going to follow, 8,000 users that I'm going to follow. Once you have that set up, a list of the followers that in your niche, then you can start schedule the follow. As you can see here, if you did not turn on the automation, you can do it sort of like manually. You can click the start button and then set the numbers that you want to follow and with the time delay. So for me, I've turned the automation settings on, and so I'm going to set the maximum follows to send per day to 500, which is around 10% of my followers, and I set the time delay range from 0 to 3 minutes so that it looks like natural. Another thing is unfollow users. So we can't just keep following because there's a restriction by Twitter. I think it's around 10% of your followers. So let's say if you have 2,000, if you have followed 2,000 people, you hit a limit. But so you need to wait until you hit around you have around 1,800 or 1,900 followers before you can start following more users. So in order to do that, we'll need to unfollow some of the users that are not interested in our business or interested in ourselves, so that we can build up more followers. You can easily do that in TweetAdder by using this unfollow users setting. I have set it automation on. I've actually just checked this. Unfollow any non-reciprocal follows. That means that we will just remove the users that are not following us back, and we'll wait for 3 days. I said 3 days to give the users some time if they are interested to follow us back. So if they are not, after 3 days, then the automation will kick in and it will automatically unfollow the users that are not following you back. So I set the maximum unfollows to send per day is around 450, which is around 9% of my current followers. And the time delay again is from 0 to 3 minutes. And this is very simple. Once it is set up, and I just let it run, all I do, I turn on my computer in the morning, and I just open up TweetAdder, and yeah, just let it run, and it will just do the heavy duty works for me day in, day out. But of course I will turn it off, shut the computer down before I go to bed. The other great feature is tweets. As you can see here, this is tweets. So you can actually import a tweet list. I have already turned on the automation on, and if you have a tweet list like myself, I've built up a tweet list. You can just import a tweet list inside, and you will just schedule according to the settings you set here. I post tweets every 4 to 8 minutes, or maximum number of tweets per day. You can set it to any number that you like, and you can post in random order. Can also randomize order here. So this is how I actually automate the tweets, the posts. This is pretty useful, and although that we can do pretty much everything with TweetAdder, all done automatically, but there is one thing that I do manually, which I call it account maintenance. So every day I'll just log into my account. So as you can see here, I'll just log in my account, and I'll click on connect, and I will check the mention button. Just click on mentions, because I want to find out whether there's anyone who retweeted me or who joined in the conversation, so that I can respond to them. Well, mention is because all these people actually mention my Twitter handler, which is Mingjong here. So I can easily identify, and I can easily just click reply, say, oh, thank you, thanks to retweet my post. Interactions is another way that you can find out, because some people actually retweet your tweets or your posts, but they didn't really mention your name. So yeah, like this Alex Smith retweeted you, get the most out from SEO link wheel. Well, apparently she just tweeted me, but because she didn't add the my Twitter handler Mingjong, so I can't really easily reply her, just say thank you. So as you can see, there are quite a few people retweeted my post, but they didn't really mention my name. So well, it's really up to you. Generally I would just go to the mentions, because people actually retweet some of my posts and they mention me, and I can easily reply to them, say, oh, thanks for that. That's basically what I do every day to just join in or interact with the users on Twitter. and I'll of course just check out some of the tweets that people just posted, and if that seems interesting, or if they are very useful, helpful, I'll just retweet so that my followers can benefit as well. So this is how I actually use TweetEditor to automate the Twitter marketing process, and so far it is working very well for me, and I'm sure that I can just keep using TweetEditor to grow my followers easily. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested to get TweetEditor, just click the link below. If I'm not ready, you can also just try it out TweetEditor. TweetEditor actually has a demo version which allows you to try out their software. Then you'll see how powerful it is that you can use TweetEditor to automate your Twitter marketing. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. So just click the link below to get TweetEditor. Cheers.